Hi everyone, I'm back with my little floral sketchbook, which I got in my subscription box from Minutes of Zen. And the next flower or Zentangle that I'm going to draw is called Abundus, and this is by CZT Karen Rutter. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Lavinia, and I have here my floral sketchbook. So in another video, I showed how to draw fleur and ear jewel. And I have my pencil, my Micron PN pen. This one is a 0.05, so this one's in black. I have an eraser, but honestly, for this particular Zentangle, it's very free-flowing, so I don't think you'll need a pencil to start the actual drawing, but you most certainly can if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and just draw this in ink. I have my pencil here in case I want to do shading. We'll take a look and see, but I also have some color pencils. I might use those. So let me just go ahead and write the name Abundus and Karen Ritter. Utter. CZT. And from what I understand, as she was drawing this and designing this, that's where the name came from. So nothing else in particular. So let me go ahead and actually, I don't know if I want to put here. No, I think I'll just let it be free flowing. So this Zentangle reminded me of poke heart and poke leaf, and I'll show you why. So you can just go ahead and start, go ahead and draw your stem, come on down, and then connect those. And then you're just drawing an oval shape like that. And then you're going to go ahead and give it an aura. You can make the aura as wide as you'd like, because you can always go ahead and decorate inside if you wanted to with stripes or orbs, half moons. So we have that, and now we're going to go ahead and add the leaves. So we just have like a fescue. So you're just going to go ahead and add a fescue and ink that in. And then her leaves are heart-shaped like that. And then you're just going to go ahead and add those veins in. So just a little heart-shaped leaf. And then add those veins in. And then the last step is just giving that a tethered aura. So this is Abundus. And then what she has is, and this is why it reminds me of poke leaf or poke heart. So out of these, she has others stemming out of them, out of the main one. I'm going to go ahead and give it that aura. Then you can add those leaves. And then give it that tethered aura. And we can have more leaves growing out of here. Perhaps that one goes behind. Maybe there's another one up here. Maybe there's another stem here. Go ahead and give it that aura. Perhaps there's several leaves here. So you can see this is fun and simple. You're just repeating that pattern. Just like that. You could probably maybe have one that's coming down here from this corner. Give it that aura. Okay, just like that. And then you can do the shading, or as I mentioned, I have some color pencils here. Maybe that's what I'll do, is I can color some of this in. Forgot to give these a little bit of a stem, which you don't have to if you don't want to, but that aura, that tethered aura, is part of the Zentangle itself. I could have used my pastel pencils and used the blending stump, but the color pencils are fine too. This brand is Fan Veen, and my husband actually found these at a at the local swap meet, and I think they were selling them for $1, so he got them for me. So that, maybe another shade of green in certain areas. And perhaps, what if I want to do orange? Yeah, let's do orange. Just leaving it a little bit of white in the center just to give it that three-dimensional kind of look. A little bit darker in some areas and lighter in others, just for that domed shape. And I think for the outer edge, I'm going to go ahead and use blue. I haven't swatched these yet, and they don't have a name on them. I think the box does, so I'll have to match those up. I actually like this blue. So I hope you give this one a try. I almost wonder if she called it Abundus. Oops, went over. Because like an abundance of flowers, you can really just keep going on and on. I actually like the way this blue goes down. It's a little bit better than the orange. I know I'm kind of rushing. I shouldn't be rushing. But I have my Curate in Color. I got this at Hobby Lobby several years ago. It's a battery-powered eraser, and I can just use that. I also use this to create texture. So that is it. This is Abundus, again by CZT Karen Rutter. And to me, this reminded me of a flower, naturally. Not one that you'd probably find in nature, but it was fun to draw and color in. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.